Welcome to English with Lily today. We'll practice how to order coffee at Starbucks like a pro. Even if you're a beginner, you'll learn useful phrases, practice real conversations, and speak along with me. Let's get started. Here are some important words you'll hear today. Repeat after me. Menu means list of food and drinks, for example. Can I see the menu? Size means small, medium, or large. For example, I'll have a medium latte. Order means ask for something in a cafe. For example, can I order a hot chocolate? Receipt means a paper showing what you bought in sentence. Here's your receipt. Barista means a person who makes coffee in sentence. The barista is friendly. Now repeat. Menu, size, order, receipt, barista, milk types whole, skim, soy, oat, almond customizations like extra hot, no whip, light ice, double shot. Great job! Let's use these in a real conversation next. Now, let's go to Starbucks together. I'll play the cashier, you play the customer, read the text on screen, and speak when it's your turn. Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you today? Say hi. I'd like a medium cappuccino, please. Sure. Would you like anything to eat? Yes, a blueberry muffin. Okay, that's one medium cappuccino and one muffin. Is that for here or to go? To go, please. Great, that'll be $5. Here you go. Well done, you just ordered like a pro. Let's go over some phrases. Here are 5 useful phrases you can use at Starbucks or any cafe I'd like. Example, I'd like a small latte, please. Can I get, can I get an iced tea? To go, please. I'll take that to go, please. That's all, thank you. No food. That's all, thank you. Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu, please? Repeat these out loud with me every day. Practice makes progress. If you're preparing for the IELTS exam, this kind of practice helps in speaking part 1, where you talk about food, drinks, or daily life. Example question. Do you like going to cafes? Try this answer. Yes, I enjoy going to cafes like Starbucks. I usually order a cappuccino and relax for a while. Simple, fluent, and confident. Let's practice speaking with some quick fire role play. I'll say something and you answer. What size would you like? Say a medium, please. Anything else? Say no, that's all, thank you. For here or to go. Say to go, please. Amazing. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel. What's your go-to Starbucks drink in English? Write it in the comments. And if you want to speak English every day, practice with me or try my favorite AI speaking tool, speakpal.ai. You can talk to it like a real person and get feedback. Thanks for learning with me today. I'm Lily, and I'll see you in the next English adventure.